Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. And in this vlog I'm gonna show you, actually Tanya is gonna show you something really interesting, because in this coffee lover's house we're not getting time to make coffee. And you guys know, if you have been following us, that we had this amazing coffee machine, all barista style, from DeLonghi. This one is from DeLonghi, right? We have this amazing barista style coffee machine from DeLonghi, and we love making coffee. We grind the beans, we make it, but here's my cue. With this little one, it's not easy to make coffee anymore, especially that time taking. As you can see, he is already getting fuzzy. We just came back from the walk and I literally put him down for like 10 minutes so we can shoot something for you guys. But we want to be in the video. So anyways, so I told Tanya to find something that could actually, we can still enjoy the coffee, but it does not take that much time. And I guess she did find it. She did. So we're gonna make coffee right now. As you can see, 6 weeks old, you need a lot of coffee. So we're gonna make some coffee. Actually, she's gonna make some coffee, and I'm gonna show you how she's gonna make it.
Alright guys, so it's finally time to enjoy the coffee, but before that let me tell you a little about the milk frother. First of all, it's super easy and convenient to use it. It has 3 different settings for heat, 120, 140 and 160, and then 3 different settings for your frothing for the milk. It's like medium, mild and heavy. I did the heavy and you saw how good of a foam I got for the milk. So the heavy foam makes it perfect for your cappuccinos, and the medium foam makes it perfect for your lattes or latte art. And sorry, a little distracted because feeding the baby, you know how it is. Also, the best thing is that you can also froth cold milk in here, and it's just not for the coffee lovers. Basically, you can make tea, you can make coffee, you can make hot cocoa, you can just warm up your milk and enjoy it. Also, it's so easy to clean. The frothing blade is magnetic, as you guys saw, so you literally just drop it and then pick it up and clean it. And also, it is dishwasher safe. So how convenient can it get?
How easy was that to make a coffee? Quick and easy, especially with the baby around. As you can see how our life is. So in the spirit of this, if you guys liked it and if you guys are looking for a frother that's easy, convenient, it has multiple settings and super cool to make coffees or latte art like Tanya explained you, go check out our Instagram account. I'll have the link to our Instagram page over here. We are running a giveaway with the Maestri house for the same frother. There are gonna be 3 winners, so you do not want to miss the window. Look for more information in the description box, and I'm also gonna pin the comment up top. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and really like this milk frother. It's an honest review. Go check it out, and we are gonna go enjoy some coffee and see you guys in our next video. Until then, stay safe. Ta-ta, bye.